Hey everybody, Kim here with Little Biz Resources, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can automatically post YouTube videos to a WordPress blog. Now this is a free WordPress blog on wordpress.com, and this is one of my posts on here. You can see littlebizresources.wordpress.com. If I were on the home page, you'd see there's a little bit of information. I might want to change that, but this isn't critical. I do this for SEO value, search engine optimization. Now this is the most recent one, providing value to create demand. Here's the video that's on there. Now you can see pros and cons to automation. The point of this is to teach you the automation. You can tweak it as you want, and if you don't like it, then don't do it, right? So in here, I'm going to show you, we're going to use IFTTT, and we already have a WordPress site, and we already have a YouTube site, which I don't have anything on here, and that might be a problem, but we're going to find out. And you can see if you already have an IFTTT account, you can actually start for free, and on the plans, they have a free level. So that's what we're going to be doing, is the free level. So I'm going to say get started, and I'm going to continue with Google. And I'm just going to use this one, this account. And now I'm in IFTTT. So what we want to do is we want to connect YouTube with WordPress. Okay. So first I am going to find, these are the recommendations. I think my Spotify, Google Calendar, they have changed this entry, so you're welcome. I'm showing you the new stuff. So you just pick one that you're using a lot, and I don't use any of these, but I'm going to say Instagram. Right, I'm going to say continue. And then I'm going to say not now. I'm not going to do the 7-day free trial. And then they have, these are the applets that are for Instagram. So what you want to do is, if you don't have Instagram, just, click that get started now. Now you're here at the very basic level. So I'm just going to hit create, and it's if this and then that, right? So if this, then that is what the way it goes. You have 0 out of 5 applets used at this point. So I'm going to add this, and I'm going to look for YouTube. If you spell it right, it helps. So there's YouTube. And then when I post a video, or when there's a new public video uploaded by you, right? And then you connect YouTube. This is really simple. You just click the buttons. We're just going to click it and just allow. And that's my YouTube account. Now I'm going to create the trigger. So if there's a new public video uploaded by you, because it's my channel, right? Then I'm going to say add, and I'm going to go to WordPress, create a post. Okay, I'm going to create a post, and I'm going to connect my WordPress. I'm not going to connect my WordPress here, and that's because I already have it connected to one, so I don't want to mess it up. But you would just connect it, put your information in here, and then that's it, right? In fact, let me go back for a second. You can do a photo post. You can even suggest a new action if you wanted to, right? But generally, you're going to be just creating a regular post and putting the information in there. So let me go ahead and put in WordPress again, and we'll do this, and I'm going to show you. You have your blog URL, your username, and your password. Now I'm going to pause it. I'm going to pull up my other one and show you what it looks like. So this is the actual applet in Little Biz Resources one. So this is new public video uploaded by you, Little Biz Resources. That's the channel. Then create a post in the WordPress Little Biz Resources. So I'm going to hit edit so you can see this. So this is my WordPress account. The title, I just selected title, and you can say add ingredient and pick what you want. So the title, I have it matching as the title. And then this is what the body is. So that has the embed code, blah, 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 all of this, right? You can sit here, add ingredient, and go through what you want, right? So I want the code to go back to it. So that's why that's in here. So if you're playing with it and you're like, hey, I'm not really sure, you can copy something like this. You can do categories if you want. You can do tags if you want. This will apply to every single video. So if they vary, I wouldn't worry. And then they have a post status where you can publish immediately, save as draft, or publish as private. I would say publish immediately. And then I'm not going to hit update action because I don't know if I screwed anything up. But that's it. And then once you've saved everything, so typically when you connect it, you will need to go into the settings. And sometimes you may be at this point where you're here, and you just go to settings and you can update that information. So it literally depends. This is like all technology. You will see something different than I see. So I'm just trying to show you generally where to click. Okay. And the goal is to connect your YouTube to your WordPress. And guess what? That's it. Really, it's not hard at all. So that's all you have to do to connect your YouTube to your WordPress. And of course, if you have IFTTT, you can check out the other applets. You can explore and see what other options that they have, right? They have a lot of different options in here already created that might be able to help you. So I just want to show you guys how to do that. You can do that at the free level. And I recommend that if you don't have a WordPress, that you consider it, because there are plenty of people who follow WordPress and will look at posts that are on there. So that's it for this one. Thanks.